Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the Carvaan ready. First, make sure it has at least a 2 to 3 hour charge so playback is stable. Once charged, insert a micro SD or USB stick with audio or open Bluetooth on your phone and put the Carvaan in pairing mode. Press power, listen for the startup chime, and immediately test play / pause and volume to confirm audio output. If you hear nothing, check the headphone jack and volume level. Make sure source files are in MP3 or supported format. Once playing, you'll want to navigate quickly. Use Next and Previous to skip tracks. Press Menu to open folders or playlists. Long press Next for fast forward and Previous for rewind. To organize listening, create or select playlists from the menu, then toggle shuffle or repeat depending on mood. Make sure to use tone or EQ settings to adjust bass and treble for your room. This improves clarity on small speakers. If there's distortion, lower volume slightly and tweak bass down to prevent clipping. To finish setup, connect external speakers via AUX cable or Bluetooth for wider sound, pair devices from settings and confirm with the blinking LED. Make sure to periodically update firmware when prompted, and clean headphone and power ports with compressed air to avoid static issues. If the unit becomes unresponsive, perform a factory reset. Note: backup playlists and micro SD files first. If playback skips, try a different USB or card. Faulty media is the most common culprit, so swap to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.